All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to show you this. This is a door bolt. It might not look familiar to everybody, but this moves up and down. So if you have a two doors that come together, one of them's got to be bolted to the floor, so it don't move and the other one locks. That's what this is. That's a door bolt, and this was broke. This piece here had broken off, and this is a pot metal, and you can't do anything with it. It's soft. It melts at about 450 degrees, and trying to weld it or brace it's not going to work because that's up around 600 some degrees. So what I did is I took a piece of steel like this. Matter of fact, I took a piece of this steel and turned it in and I made this, not this rod, but this piece here. This rod is the bolt. I made this piece right here. That's that part out right there. I cut it down and drilled it and threaded it, and then I cut a groove into it for something that was strong enough to go in to. There's a slot in here, so I slotted it. I slotted this piece of steel so that this would go into it like that. And then I brazed it onto here, and then I cut this out to the same width as this piece right here, this thickness, and down in there. So I put that in there like that with this metal on top of it that was grooved in there, and then this is JB Weld, and this is pretty solid now. So the door bolt's fixed. Now I am going to pin it. I think I'm going to drill maybe 1 or 2 holes in this pin and drive some roll pins in there for strength, but I'm not so sure I need it. This is stronger now than it was when it was brand new. So I'll reassemble it and send it off to the owner, which is one of my other sons, Phil, and he can put it back in his door if I can get it back together. So one thing about stuff like this, you can't always buy the part to replace it, and that's what the case was here. So you had a door that was not going to be able to work, so you can either replace a door that's probably worth maybe $1,200 or more, or you can fix something. And this is we're kind of in a throwaway society, and we throw away a lot of stuff, and so things like this can be fixed. It's a little bit of thinking through and a little bit of work, and something like this can be put back in service. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd appreciate it.